And welcome back to another edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. Today I have 5 new vehicles for you. It is a little rainy out here, but we do go rain or shine. Got a couple luxury vehicles, a couple of pretty big sized vehicles that's going to fit the whole family. So I know you guys are wanting to get into it, so without further ado, let's check out these cars. First up is the luxurious 2019 Audi A8 L. 36,600 miles on this car. It's got a brown interior, V6 engine. Great gas mileage in that V6 at 21 and 28 miles per gallon. It's got navigation, a massive back seat, power seating, power moonroof, heated seats and mirrors, parking camera, 360 overhead camera, a clean Carfax, retailing for $41,000. Next up is one of our own here at Volkswagen. This one is a 2019 Volkswagen Atlas SEL R-Line. It's got 97,000 miles, a black interior in there. Looks really great with that white exterior. It's all-wheel drive all the time. It's got a V6 engine, plenty of power again. You've got a third row, so for the big families, you've got navigation, power moonroof. You've got a parking camera and sensors, heated seats, mirrors, and a heated steering wheel, retailing for $24,800. Here's another luxurious car here. This time it's a 2019 Cadillac XT5 luxury package. 68,600 miles on this car. It's got a black interior. You do have remote start here for in the winter time when you need it to be warm before you get in there. You've got heated seats, mirrors, and once again a heated steering wheel, power seats, navigation, a power lift gate there in the back. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner, retailing for $24,429. Got a couple of Hondas coming up for you now. This one is a 2021 Honda CR-V EXL SUV. 51,600 miles on this car. It's got a black interior. This car is also all-wheel drive, and this one also has remote start. It's got Apple CarPlay. It's got heated seats and mirrors. It's got power seating, a power liftgate there in the back, and it is a one-owner vehicle, retailing for $28,320. And the last half of our Hondas here. This one is a 2022 Honda Accord Sport. Only 18,700 miles. It's got a black interior. Best gas mileage of the day at 22 and 32 miles per gallon. It's got a power moonroof, as you can see there. Dual zone climate controls, power driver's seat, heated seats and mirrors. Clean Carfax, only one owner, retailing for $29,999. Thank you all once again for watching this week's edition of Friday 5 here at White Island Volkswagen. As always, I appreciate the likes, support, shares. We do have plenty of cars, as I always say, so don't be afraid to come see us, get some more info on them, test drive them. We definitely do have the right car for you. We're all friendly as well as myself, so don't hesitate to come see us. And with all that said, stay tuned for next week's episode.